Happy New Year! Wow.
Alrighty y'all, sorry for the car lighting, but we are currently on our way to Tyler's house for New Year's Eve to celebrate and surprise his mom for her birthday. Her birthday is actually on New Year's Eve today.
So is Dad's, but we're celebrating Dad's birthday tomorrow.
Yes, we're celebrating his birthday on the 1st, so today we decided to surprise his mom for her birthday. And so right now she's getting ready to be taken out of the house to go eat dinner, so she has no clue that we're going to surprise her. So we got a whole thing planned. We got her chips and salsa in the back. We have decorations that we're gonna put up and all that sorts of fun things. Let's get started on getting things together.
Yeah, it's just me, Kimber, and Carson. We're sitting, and Erica, and we're sitting here just watching football, waiting for you. Yeah, real quick, gonna remember that. Alrighty, well, we'll be waiting for you. Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. Hurry the heck up! You want to do this. Carson's gonna be on those lights. Sit right here, and as soon as she walks in, go, surprise!
Okay.
Don't hit her nothing. So try your best to flick those lights on.
Me?
Yeah.
Who needs some? You need the birthday hat.
I don't need a birthday hat.
No, like you need to put it on her.
Oh, okay.
Is that why you said should we go to the house first?
Yeah.
Thank you. You got bunk cake and everything. And I got you margarita.
Oh.
And this is for you.
I might get silly string on these.
Yes, Mom, come see Lolly. Come see me. You didn't like the surprise? Or did you not like the surprise? Oh my goodness.
We got your favorite bunk cake too.
I'll be right back. You look so small. Well, thank you. Where's Carson? Oh.
Really?
Oh, Carson was hot. Oh, hey. Oh, thank you. That's
You're
a
welcome.
perfect card for me, too.
I know. Your gift is on the way. That was just a
I don't
stand-in.
need a gift.
Well, too bad.
Just being with y'all is my gift. Just scoot.
Decorations wise, that's all your daughter. Organizing the whole thing, me.
Oh. Is that why you asked for his number?
Yes.
I didn't even
And I
think
told
it-
him, I said, if mom asks, say it was something about my truck.
That's for your mom?
Yep.
Yes.
Can you not tell?
I love it.
Which one of the strawberry cream ones?
It says it.
Well, yeah,
Oh, it does?
correct.
I took one.
These are.
Oh, these are strawberry cream?
For you. That's right here for you. This and their white chocolate raspberry is delicious.
The one that has two of them on.
Okay.
Big one, but I know everybody likes that flavor.
That is so neat.
Good.
Thank you. Love you. Love you.
My final present from her finally came in.
You had another present?
They're on the floor.
Yeah, from her, the one that hadn't come in.
Oh,
A claws.
those are nice.
Told her they're replacing my flip flops, and she goes, "Okay, I'm fine with that."
They're called potato chips.
It's New Year's Eve. We got 3 minutes until midnight, and they're popping fireworks in the background. Tyler and I have these little TNT poppers and confetti poppers, as well as these little blowers, and we're excited for New Year.
Yes, you are.
And then I also brought my Polaroid, which I need to go run and get, but
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
Midnight.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! There you go.
These are our 2 Polaroids that Miss Tiffany took for us. Which one do you want?
No, this is your turn to choose. I
Oh.
chose last time.
I want this one.
Really? I thought you would have chose this one. Because it's more like aesthetically pleasing with the firework in the back.
Yeah, I like this one because it's a little one.
Are those those? Oh, okay.
There's swirl in it. So this is the one I chose, if it'll focus. And that's the one he chose. Or was left with.
Yeah.
More like. But that is our New Year's Eve / New Year's Day Polaroid picture of the year. First picture of the year.
Yes, first picture of the year.
Yep. So, super happy about that. Good morning, guys. It's Erica, and today we are going to go to Kyler's dad's birthday party. His birthday was technically yesterday. His mom and his dad have the same birthdays, which that's kind of cool, but we decided that we're going to celebrate his birthday today. Let's have a good year this year. Let's go. Happy birthday to you.
Old man.
Happy birthday to you. We got some white chocolate raspberry bundt cake, and we're eating it with a spoon. Apparently he's showing me how it's done. So I got 80 points, you got 150.
You did it. What was that? Nice. There you go. Now we're doing ring toss. Wow.
You got 310.
Let's go. What the? What? Oh my gosh! What is happening? What? What? Okay, go for it. You have 1 ball left.